start. But you have to start to be great. I hope you all have enjoyed the assembly. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Next I call upon Mahira for pledge.
Hands forward. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Next I welcome Azra for news.
Good morning. Today's headlines. Rajya Sabha passes bills for Commission for Air Quality. Ganga Yamuna water level nears danger mark. Flood alert in several areas of Uttar Pradesh. Poverty in India is on the rise again. After 3 months, houseboats resume cruises in Alapura. Sports. Tokyo Olympics. India loses bronze play-off 3-4 to Great Britain in women's hockey. England vs India. First test, day 2, Anderson double revives England before Reinmar's plays. End of an era, Barcelona says Lionel Messi won't stay with the club. COVID. Covishield, Covaxin to drive India's 136 crore dose goals between August and December. More than 2.69 crore COVID vaccines still available, Health Ministry. As states open school, COVID vaccines separations issues emerge as twin challenge for hesitant parents. COVID vaccines for children by September, says AIMS chief. UK eases COVID-19 norms for travellers from India. US ships over 110 million COVID-19 vaccines doses abroad. India doesn't take any due to liability. China restricts overseas travel to curb COVID-19 cases. That's all for today's news. Thank you. Hope you have a good day. Next, I invite Shihan for English Thought.
English thought. One small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Next, I call upon Hiba for the Arabic speech.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ليس الصبر أن تنتظر ولكن أن تحسن السلوك أثناء الانتظار. It means patience is not the ability to wait but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. I repeat, patience is not the ability to wait but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Thank you and have a nice day. Next, I would like to call Sharafat for the Malayalam thought.
അസ്സലാമലൈക്കും. ഇന്നത്തെ ചിന്താവിഷയം, വിജയത്തിലൂടെ കൈവരുന്നതല്ല ശക്തി, നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ശക്തിയെ രൂപീകരിക്കുന്നത്. ജീവിതത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും വിഷമകരമായ ഘട്ടങ്ങളിൽ സ്വയം അടിയറവ് പറയില്ലെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ തീരുമാനിച്ചാൽ അതാണ് ശക്തി. ഗാന്ധിജിയുടെ വാക്കുകൾ. നന്ദി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഐ ഇൻവൈറ്റ് സിനാൻ ഫോർ ഹിന്ദി തോട്ട്.
एक नकारात्मक दिमाग आपको कभी भी एक सकारात्मक जीवन नहीं दे सकता. इसका अर्थ है a negative mind will never give you a positive life. Next, I call upon Hadi for today in history.
History tells us a lot. I'm going to say a few things that happened on this date, 9th August throughout history. In 48 BC, Caesar's civil war, the Battle of Pharsalus took place. Julius Caesar decisively defeats Pompey and Pompey flees to Egypt. In 1790, Robert Gray's Columbia Rediviva returns to Boston after 3 years. It became the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. In 1942, Mahatma Gandhi and 50 others were imprisoned for the Quit India movement. In 1945, US drops the second atomic bomb, Fat Man, on Nagasaki, Japan, destroying part of the city. In 1965, Singapore gains its independence by separating from the Federation of Malaysia. Thank you. Next I invite Shazia for Amazing Facts.
Hello everyone, my name is Azrat Shazia. Today I'm here to present some amazing facts. Owls can't move their eyeballs. Shark is the only fish that can blink with both eyes. Octopuses have 9 brain cells and blood is in blue in color. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Caterpillars have 12 eyes. Thank you and have a nice day. Next I call upon Naufa for English speech.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak on the topic online education. During this lockdown period, attending online classes have become a new normal for the students. After schools were shut down due to the coronavirus, online classes have taken a center stage in students' life. The online platform uphand over the school in many ways. Online classes provide good quality of education to students in the comfort of their home and helps us to control the virus. Since there is no parenting time, students can study at their convenience and also easily depend upon online study materials if they needed further explanations. But there are some drawbacks to online education, including poor network connectivity. Also, there is a lack of communication skills and personality development as there is no face-to-face interaction between students and teachers. Also, it provides the freedom to students which may turn into negative as it looks discipline. I would like to conclude my words by saying that online classes have both advantages and disadvantages. But during this lockdown period, it is being helpful to us by providing continuous and uninterrupted classes. Thank you and have a nice day. Now I invite Fadi for new word.
Hi. Today's new word, retrodict. R-E-T-R-O-D-I-C-T. To utilize present information or ideas to infer or explain. The dinosaur fossils has helped scientists to retrodict several different theories about what they might have eaten. Thank you. Next, I would like to call upon Rinat for book review.
Hi, I'm Rinat from 9C. Everyone loves reading books. Books are always interesting and fascinating. It never disappoints us. And so is Ruskin Bond. To those who doesn't know about Ruskin Bond, he is a famous Indian author of British descent. Room on the Roof was his first novel. The novel received the prize John Llewellyn won in 1957. So, let me give you a little bit preview about the story. The story is about a 16-year-old boy who is living with his guardian after his parents passed away. Due to the strict rule of his guardian, he started visiting nearby market and made lots of friends there. He also faced lots of challenges in his life. The author explained the boy's feeling so that we can also feel it while reading the books. Next, I would like to invite Mahroof for Malayalam recitation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ഇരുളിൻ മഹാനിദ്രയിൽ നിന്നുണർത്തിനി നിറമുള്ള ജീവിതപ്പീലി തന്നു. ഇരുളിൻ മഹാനിദ്രയിൽ നിന്നുണർത്തിനി നിറമുള്ള ജീവിതപ്പീലി തന്നു. എന്റെ ചിറകിനാകാശവും നീ തന്നു. നീ ആത്മശിഖരത്തിനൊരു കൂട് തന്നു. ആത്മശിഖരത്തിനൊരു കൂട് തന്നു. ഒരു കൊച്ചുരാപ്പാടി കരയുമ്പോഴും നേർത്തൊരരുവിതൻ താരാട്ടു തളരുമ്പോഴും. ഒരു കൊച്ചുരാപ്പാടി കരയുമ്പോഴും നേർത്തൊരരുവിതൻ താരാട്ടു തളരുമ്പോൾ. കനിവിലൊരു കല്ല് കനിമധുരമാകുമ്പോൾ. കാലമിടറുമ്പോഴും നിന്റെ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം കൊരുത്തിരിക്കുന്നു. നിന്നിൽ അഭയം തിരഞ്ഞു പോകുന്നു. ഒരു കൊച്ചുരാപ്പാടി കരയുമ്പോൾ നേർത്തൊരരുവിതൻ താരാട്ടു തളരുമ്പോഴും. ഒരു കൊച്ചുരാപ്പാടി കരയുമ്പോഴും നേർത്തൊരരുവിതൻ താരാട്ടു തളരുമ്പോൾ. കനിവിലൊരു കല്ല് കനിമധുരമാകുമ്പോൾ. കാലമിടറുമ്പോഴും നിന്റെ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം കൊരുത്തിരിക്കുന്നു. നിന്നിൽ അഭയം തിരഞ്ഞു പോകുന്നു. അടരുവാൻ വയ്യ അടരുവാൻ വയ്യ നിൻ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ നിന്നെനിക്കേത് സ്വർഗം വിളിച്ചാലും. അടരുവാൻ വയ്യ നിൻ ഹൃദയത്തിൽ നിന്നെനിക്കേത് സ്വർഗം വിളിച്ചാലും. ഒഴുകി നിന്നാത്മാവിനാഴങ്ങളിൽ വീണു പൊലിയുന്നതാണ് എൻ്റെ സ്വർഗം. നിന്നിലലിയുന്നതേ നിത്യസത്യം.
Now I would like to call Bifatu ma'am for a few words.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are safe at home. Today I would like to talk on online class. One of the biggest challenges of the distance learning during the COVID-19 crisis is to keep learners engaged. The lack of person-to-person contact, the difficulties of communication on digital platforms, the need to self-organize can become additional challenges for the learners to absorb new information to keep the track of the learning process. The teacher's role becomes crucial as for making sure that the learners stay engaged and don't lose their motivation. So here, what is your role to help yourself and teachers? You have to attend class on time, obey teachers' instructions, and respond properly. While you are attending class, please turn on your camera, okay, and don't keep your work for tomorrow. Complete all the learning activities on time. Keep contact with your teachers and friends, and you have to minimize the use of mobile phone. And to do all these things, you must have self-discipline. So my dear children, try your best to become a good students and keep your help, your family and your teachers. Thank you very much.
You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. I hope you all have enjoyed the assembly. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.